Hello.
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 Everybody, welcome to Tyndall's Home Shop. I'm Scott, and going in the house is Tara. Today we are changing out the bolt for the tensioner on the bandsaw. So here's the new bolt. A viewer of mine made it, Scott. I don't know how to pronounce his last name. Here's the old one. Just got some rust on the threads and some wear, and I figured I'd change it out. So right now we're just going to cut it to length. There you go. All right, now that we have all that done, oh, I got to remember not to do that. All right. Now we need to go tuck this up in the vise, and I need to drill a new roll pin. Let's see, I got several. Didn't know which one I would need. That looks pretty good. What is that? That's a 5/32. We're not going through the same hole, because as you can tell, they go through the side of the hole. We're going to try to go right through the center. I need to oil my chuck. Chuck getting a little surface rust on it. We're going to use a get in the center of the drill. I've got it running out this far, but I have to make sure that I can clear the diameter of the wheel. I'm just barely going to be able to do that. Right there. Look at that. Right there. Right there. Right there. Right there. Right there. That's good. Pulled by the depth gauge. Pulled by the depth gauge. I couldn't figure out why. it off for a minute. But I have it set for something, I don't want to mess it up. Couldn't figure out why it wouldn't go down. There we go. Looks right, like it's right through the metal to me. Nice and straight. Alright, let's go back over to the workbench. See? Just that simple. And we're back. We're going to put this little sucker in there. I'm not even going to cut it off because it's... Now I'm going to do this on top of this plastic so that I don't scratch up the paint. Well, anymore. Might need to put it here. There we go. I believe that is straight through that shaft. If not, it's awful damn close. It's a lot closer than what it was. Alright. Now that we got that down, we'll take it and nip it off with the die grinder. There you go. This time we're going to control the hose. Alright. New shaft, new rod. All we got to do is go right back down in the same hole. Threads fit perfect. And then put the tension back on the blade. Alright, now, see, we have a drop cord long enough, we'll slide over there right quick and run it and see what she's gonna do. Making sure she's not gonna run off the track. Back where she's supposed to be. I should run like a champ. Alright. Y'all don't forget about the hats. This year's proceeds from the hats and the shirts and the hoodies will all go to Tara and her friends. I'm trying to help as many kids as I can get to 4-H summer camp next summer. And we don't start now. I don't want to wait till it's too late. So far, we've donated $100. So all the t-shirt sales that I could sell, and it's these shirts right here. These shirts. All the t-shirt sales, all the hat sales, and all the hoodie sales will all be handed over to the Miss Angela Norton at the 4-H department in town. And they will apply that towards Tira's 4-H and everybody else's 4-H as well. It's summer camp. What do you call it? Money. The money for summer camp. I can't think of the word. Tuition. Or tuition, I guess you would call it. So don't forget to get you a hat. Yes, this is a hat. I know I got it backwards. Don't forget to get you a shirt and a hat. And I know this is Keith's hat, but it's still a hat. So I got a few hats. Hello? Yes. Who's this? Oh, Tira. Oh. Yeah, a long time ago, baby. Oh, hang on a minute. Say hello to everybody.
Hello, everybody.
Okay. Now, tell them, I was in the middle of telling them this, but somebody interrupted me. So, huh? Well, you could do it over the phone. Tell everybody about the shirts. I'm gonna go bump on the hammer while you tell them about the shirts.
Okay.
Let me help you. Don't forget to buy a t-shirt. All the proceeds from the t-shirts go to help Tira and her friends go to 4-H summer camp. Go from there.
Yeah, what he said. So donate, so buy a shirt and all the money will go to my 4-H. For kids and I to go to summer camp. So that we can have our summer camp and we can do more 4-H stuff through all the donations that you are doing.
I'm not done. Keep going.
What?
I had to fix the hammer. All right. What she said. Anything else you'd like to say, Tira?
I'm good. Except for donate, please. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.